Hi there. Here's a short tutorial on how to put up your Gravity Fitness Olympic rings. First off, you're going to get the band and you're going to chuck the heavy part over to ensure that you've got a good line and that your band actually goes over the bar. Make sure it's straight throughout the band and put your ring through the band. Still ensuring it's straight throughout. Make sure that you put band behind the teeth, like so. Once it's through, pull it through to the height required for the exercise you want to do. Pull down to double check that the ring is secure and safe and that you've put the band through the teeth the correct way, and repeat twice. Once you've done that, you should be ready to go and complete your exercises.